It was tough. It was definitely tough, but super fun.
It's orgasmic. I want to do it again.
Amazing, amazing.
Exciting and at the same time challenging.
Hindi siya komportable para sa akin.
Guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Fit Daily. So, in-invite kasi ako ng friend ko dito na si H. So, nagawa kasi kami ng content. And, first time ko dito.
We're actually doing the Metcon. Metcon is metabolic conditioning. We have 3 parts. Did the warm-up, and then the skills, and the last part is the Metcon, the metabolic conditioning. We're doing the AMRAP. We call it the as many reps as possible for CrossFit. So, tuloy-tuloy lang siya. And up. To the wall as possible, then go on. In your arm. Okay, go 10 reps. Twice, same thing. So let the 5 rest on your arm. Okay, everyone on the ground. Yan, sige. Hold. Yan. I'm with Sir Oliver. How was your workout earlier?
It was tough. It was definitely tough, but super fun. The coach was amazing. The community is amazing. So I had a lot of fun.
He's doing CrossFit for how many years?
I started CrossFit in 2012. I used to be a CrossFit L1 coach then. I used to coach a bit in Cebu and I used to compete then. But the last time I competed was in 2016.
Wow, it shows naman he's a competitive person kasi with his physique. And I saw him work out earlier. Sobrang parang bitin siya sa workout.
Kasama naman yung mga business coach. So ito yung kita ngayon. Tinanong siya kanina guys kung paano daw ma-achieve yung physique niya.
Dati ka matama overweight. Dati. Mataba. For 4 months. So sabi ko, puro gym. Nag-comment ako before eh. Pero 100 push-ups every day. I was 140 goals for chop. That's my fast. Lunch ko chicken to 107 sashimi tuna sa 100 grams. Nagtuloy pa ako.
Yung na-feel mo after ng workout?
Hindi siya komportable para sa akin, pero nararamdaman ko na, alam mo yun, pwede siyang maging sustainable na workout. Ang thinking ko dati, kailangan mong mag-spend ng 2 to 3 hours sa gym. Dito sa Fits Day, so kahit maikling oras lang, pwede ka palang maisabay yung for your physical being. Kasi usually, sa mga business owner, more on financial being lang inasikaso natin. So kailangan natin mag-spend time sa physical being natin para ma-enjoy natin yung financial being natin.
Exciting and at the same time challenging.
Na if you think you're fucked, you're only 40% fucked. Your mind is saying that you can't do it, but your body can still give 60% more. Ito kasi makikita mo on how your mind plays trick with your body. So, depends on you on how you push forward. Kaya sobrang ganda nito when it comes to personal development din sa CrossFit. Kasi the only barrier you'll break is not the barrier of your body, but the barrier of your mind.
Amazing, amazing. Sarap na feeling kasi nag-workout na for 2 years and kahit pa paano meron na experience, but dito ma-push yung limiting na belief mo na akala mo hindi mo na kaya, pero kaya pala. Another breakthrough siya for me. And I'm excited to do it again.
Coach Russ, in one word, how's the workout of Fit Daily? The more
Orgasmic. I'm not used to like intense. However, I felt safe. I felt good. I felt
really good about myself because I thought I cannot do it, but the support that you gave, the cheering of people around, that encourage people to move even if you feel you're not really moving the way you think you're gonna move. So it's orgasmic. I want to do it again.